All right, here's problem number 2, and there will be one just like this on the test, by the way. And in fact, this first circle looks a lot like the problem that will be on the test, just as kind of a general heads up. Well, they want us to the arcs indicated over here, and they give us some arcs. So this is 50. We know this over here, this is 90 because it's a right angle. Right? So whenever we see that box, that's 90. And then we also see some diameters here. So this is half a circle. Already I know that this whole thing is 180, and here's another half of the circle. This whole thing is 180. So we just want to be aware of that going in. Well, here they want CBF. CBF is this arc right here. Starts at C, goes through B, and ends at F. Ends at F. It's that arc right there. Well, to find CBF, I need this one, 90, and I need this right here, that angle BF, or the angle BF. Well, I don't know that one yet, but like I said, we have this diameter here. So we know that this whole thing, this whole half, is 180. Right? We can look at it like that. That whole half is 180. Right? So to find this piece, we just take 180 minus 90, which is 90, minus 50, well, that's going to be 40. You know that piece is 40 right there. Perfect. So then to find the combination of these two pieces, I just do 40 plus 90. Plus 90. That's going to give me 130 degrees. 130 degrees. The next one they want is CDE. And CD is a really similar situation. It's over here. This arc over here in green. Okay, and we have this arc measurement, which is 50, but we don't have this one right here. But I do notice something. This angle right here, which is 40, it's actually a vertical angle. Right? It has an angle that's opposite from it positionally, but that means that it's the same measurement. Same measurement, so 40 degrees as well. So to find the measurement of this angle, right, CDE, this arc right here, or this whole entire angle, I would just need to do 50 plus 40, which is 90. All right, and then last but not least, they want DEF. DEF. Well, right off the bat, I noticed that DEF is on a diameter. Right? There's my diameter. And DEF looks like 1/2 of the circle. Well, I know that half of a circle is just 180 degrees. Alright, so let's look at this next circle over here. And now we're kind of getting the hang of this already, right? So we can do some things right off the bat. Like we know this is 35 here, and I see right off the bat that this over here, this is 35. And if you wanted to start these problems by doing that, that's fine too. Here's another angle that has a vertical 82 degrees. This is 82 degrees because it's opposite of this angle positionally. That means it's equal to it. Now our first one, they want FGA. FGA is right here in yellow. FGA. So to find FGA, we need this piece right here. We need this angle FEG, or we need the arc FG. Well, just like the last one, I see that there's a diameter here, which cuts the circle in half. So I can take 180 and subtract the other pieces, and that'll give me this arc measurement right here. So 180 minus 35, well, that's 145. And then minus 82, that's 63 degrees. So this right here is 63. Remember, we have a vertical angle over here, so we also know this is 63. We don't need that for letter D, but it might come in handy later. So to find this arc, then, we do 63 plus 35. We just add the pieces together. Add the pieces together. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. So 98 degrees. Well, what about ABC? ABC is right here. It's not quite a full half, though it looks closer than the yellow one. ABC is going to be these two pieces put together. And it's a good thing that we wrote our vertical angle in over here, because we need to add this piece with this piece. So 82 plus 63, well, that's going to be 145 degrees. And then last but not least is GBF. Starting at G, going through B, and ending at F. So almost the whole circle except for this part. We just don't want this arc right here. Well, we know that a whole circle is 360. And if we don't want this part, we'll just subtract it out, minus 63. And that's going to give us 297 degrees.